There comes a moment in every person's life where the weight of the world presses down so heavily it seems impossible to stand. But within those moments, the ones filled with heartbreak, setbacks, uncertainty, and chaos, lies a gift, the gift of resilience. It's not built in comfort, it's forged in fire. True resilience is not about having a perfect life, it's about being unshaken in the face of imperfection. At Limitless Mindset, we believe resilience is not just about bouncing back. It's about bouncing forward, becoming stronger, wiser, and more powerful because of what you've been through. This is your journey to becoming unbreakable. What is resilience really about? Resilience isn't pretending you're fine when everything's falling apart. It's not masking your pain or denying your struggles. Resilience is facing reality with courage. It's choosing to rise even when your legs are trembling. It's crying when you need to cry, resting when you're exhausted, but always getting back up. It's understanding that failure is not the opposite of success, but a part of it. Resilience is emotional flexibility. It's mental toughness wrapped in self-compassion. It's not a one-time achievement, but a muscle you strengthen over time. And like any muscle, it needs stress to grow.
Where resilience begins.
Resilience doesn't begin in the moment of crisis. It starts long before, in the daily decisions we make. It starts when you choose discipline over comfort, when you train your mind to embrace challenge rather than run from it, when you make peace with discomfort and understand that struggle is part of transformation. Resilience starts in your mindset. When you believe you are capable of growing through what you go through, you lay the foundation for true strength. It begins with self-talk. The words you whisper to yourself in silence. Are they tearing you down or building you up? You can't be resilient if your mind is your greatest enemy. Resilience begins when your inner voice becomes your coach, not your critic. The power of choice in crisis. When life punches you in the face, you have two choices: stay down or rise. That choice is what defines your story. You might not control what happens, but you always control how you respond. That's where your power lies. In the gap between stimulus and response, that tiny moment where you decide, will I react with fear or respond with strength? Challenges are inevitable, but how you interpret them changes everything. Is this setback the end, or is it the beginning of your transformation? Will this heartbreak define you or refine you? Every storm is an invitation, not to break you, but to shape you. The mindset of an unbreakable person. Unbreakable people aren't born, they are built. They have something different in how they think. They see challenges as training. They don't ask, why me? They ask, what is this teaching me? They don't expect ease. They embrace the difficult. They don't avoid fear. They walk into it with courage. Resilient people train their minds to see pressure not as a threat, but as a forge. They trust that pain can be a powerful teacher. They trust that setbacks are setups for comebacks. And most of all, they trust themselves to endure, to adapt, and to overcome. You don't need a perfect path. You need a powerful perspective. Rising through adversity. The greatest stories of strength come from people who were broken but chose to rebuild. When adversity hits, it doesn't come with a warning. It just shows up. And when it does, you either collapse or you rise. But rising doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes rising is simply getting out of bed. Sometimes it's asking for help. Sometimes it's deciding, I won't quit today. You rise by facing one moment at a time. You rise by accepting what is, then daring to believe in what could be. You rise when you decide that the mountain in front of you will not break you, because you are the mountain. Resilience is built in the climb. The gift in the struggle. Every challenge carries a gift, but only if you look for it. Adversity deepens your compassion. It sharpens your focus. It teaches you what truly matters. It humbles you and empowers you at the same time. What once felt like punishment becomes purpose. The pain becomes fuel. Think of the strongest people you know. They didn't become that way by avoiding struggle. They became that way by facing it and letting it mold them into something extraordinary. You too can transform your trials into triumphs. You just need to keep showing up. One day, one breath, one decision at a time. Living with limitless resilience. To live with unbreakable resilience is not to live without pain. It's to live with unshakable peace amidst the pain. It's choosing to believe that your life is not defined by what happens to you, but by how you grow from it. When you develop resilience, you develop freedom. You stop fearing hard times. You start welcoming growth. You become steady in chaos, confident in uncertainty, and proud of who you're becoming. Because no matter what life throws at you, you've built something within that cannot be taken away. This is the mindset of champions. This is the mindset of warriors. This is the limitless mindset. So ask yourself right now, who are you becoming through this?